itong usual midweek chill ninyo. Because tonight, we're still bringing the vibe experience all the way here sa SM Tanza Cavite at iba ang energy!
That is right, Vibe Shot Kids! Kung feeling mo lobat ka na ngayon Wednesday, consider this your recharge moment. Because from music, surprises, hanggang sa mga performances na hindi mo ini-expect, we're about to turn your midweek into something unforgettable.
At dahil hindi kami pumunta lang sa ganting lokasyon para lang mag-chill-chill, mga bis, may pa-surprise performance kami mamaya na siguradong kikiligin ang lahat. Kaya kahit saan ka man nanonood sa TV man o kaya sa cellphone, get ready to feel the heat, the music, and the energy. This is Vibe Night!
Okay! Never mind. Alright! Ready na ba kayo for tonight's performance? Because this one hits different. He's got the voice, he's got the vibe, and that effortless stage presence na hindi mo pwedeng i-ignore.
Pero wait lang!
Oh, bakit?
Yeah.
Wait, there's more.
Oh,
Akala niyo solo performance lang. Na. Itong Wednesday na to ay may plot twist dahil ngayong gabi, mas magiging special na to with our surprise collab na walang nakakapag-expect nito. Hindi mo inaasahan kahit
Ganon?
hindi inaasahan ito.
Oh.
Kaya naman mga bees, let's all welcome Aaron Rebuses and
Wow! Grabe, ibang klase talagang performance yun. Hindi talaga inaasahan. Pero we're back mga bis at hindi natatapos ang tugtugan at saya dahil hindi mawawala ang games dito sa Vibe Nights. Kaya hinahamon namin ang mga Caviteño kasama ang dalawang OPM artists natin.
Gaano kaya sila competitive? Kaya naman,
By the way! Midweek na! Sino-sino naman kaya ang mga nangunguna sa ating leaderboard? This is Vibe Rap!
now it's time to spotlight the next big thing in OPM. Check out the Uprising Universe. Let's vibe it away.
Ito naman ang top 10 ngayong Merkules. Leaderboard! Reveal!
At syempre kung hindi nyo pa nakikita sa top 10 ang paborito nyong artist, ay ano pang hinihintay nyo? Iboto niya sila as in ngayon na! Para bumoto, vibe it away!
O di ba mga miss, ganun lang kadali bumoto. Kaya boto lang ng boto. Vote your vibe, be the vibe. inyo. Maraming salamat po sa pakikisabay sa amin sa solid na energy. Ganito talaga pagkasama-sama naglalaro, sama-sama nagsasaya. Kaya stay tuned lang kasi tuloy-tuloy pa ang saya. Dito yun sa 5 Nights.
Ayan, and just like that, tapos na naman ang isa namang Vibey Wednesday. From amazing performances to surprise moments, sana napasaya namin ang midweek niyo tonight. And also, we would like to thank PLDT Home Fiber, a reliable internet that's right for your home.
At syempre kung feeling mo na bitin ka, don't worry! Dahil mas marami pa kami pasabog sa susunod na episode. So, make sure na tumuto kayo every night.
Again, thank you for spending Wednesday with us. Mga bees, keep the vibe alive, stay safe, stay inspired. See you ulit bukas dito sa masayang Phantom Bayan Zone ninyo only here on Vibe Nights! Woohoo! Thank you, mga bees! Love you all!
And just like that, tapos na naman ang isa namang Vibey Wednesday. From amazing performances to surprise moments, sana napasaya namin ang midweek niya tonight. And also, we would like to thank PLDT Home Fiber, a reliable internet that's right for your home.
At kung feeling mo naman na bitin ka, don't worry dahil mas marami pa kami pasabog sa inyo sa mga susunod na episode. So make sure na tumuto kayo dito every night.
Again, thank you for spending your Wednesday with us. Mga B, keep the vibe alive, stay safe, stay inspired. See you ulit bukas dito sa masayang Phantom Bayan Zone ninyo only here on Vibe Night!
Good night,
Thank you, mga B!
Good night.
Love you all! Maraming salamat sa panood! Wow! Put your vibe, be the vibe! Follow nyo naman ang mga social medias ng Vibe, VibePH.tv. Kami na rin, huwag naman yung kakalimutan i-follow. Maawa naman kayo sa amin.
Don't forget to vote